A high quality finish such as this should last for at least 10 years. What really happened to the portion of the wall here that became this bad? The very good finish that was produced after painting became like this. Now what you need to know is that in this part of the wall, humidity is so high, 60, 70 and above. So there is absorption of water from the environment into the walls and painting. Apart from that, this portion is close to the foundation, and then moisture from the foundation finds its way little by little gradually into the walls and causes such problem as we have here. And this is what we are going to handle today. We're going to deal with this. We're going to do very good maintenance to restore the portion of the wall into its initial appearance after the paint was finished. So let's go. Let's see what the area at the bottom of this pillar, the area at the bottom of this pillar here that has become disfigured. So we want to see what we can do to correct that. So what we do is to peel out all this area using our scraper. Peel it out gently, carefully. Peel it out gently. Scrape it away. Scrape all the area that is swollen up because of moisture. Scrape it away. We then apply fillers. After applying the fillers, then we paint it up with the white paint. Necessary area that needs fillers, fill it up. So to do the filler, I used a little quantity of calcium powder. I have little quantity of calcium powder here. I take little of it, and then I use the emulsion POP. That is it, POP emulsion. And mix them together very well to form the filler that is needed for this small work this morning. Okay, so take little quantity of the POP emulsion and mix it with the calcium powder. Small quantity. Right. So the applied filler has dried. Now we want to carry out sanding using this one here. The sanding will help us to achieve a smooth finish, smooth surface. After which we are going to apply the paint. Okay, so let's apply the paint. The brilliant white paint is still here. Brilliant white. You can see it. So once you apply the paint carefully, so you want to paint the entire pillar. Any unwanted paint shall be removed, shall clear the way. You see the foam. I've achieved the result here. Maintenance has been carried out. It's our desire. It has been achieved. Right. Don't forget to make your comments in the comment section. What do you think? Is maintenance work okay or not? Can you try save? If you like the video and share.